Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the SITANES electric lighter. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. So here are all the package contents. First up, we have our charging cable right here, USB type A to micro USB. Then we have the lighter itself. Let's go ahead, let's look at the lighter up close. So here's the lighter up close, check it out. You can see down here at the bottom, we have our nice hook hanger. So we could use this if we wanted to attach it and hang it to a hook. I'm thinking like command hooks, that sort of thing. If you have one on your wall, just want to easily store it out of the way. Maybe have a hook in your pantry, something like that. Want to clip it onto a backpack if you're taking this hiking or camping. Then you can see their logo and branding, followed by our safety switch. We can slide that. Now we have it activated. You can see our battery status indicator lights right there. 3 out of the 4 lit currently. And then we have our activator button, so we can push that to actually use the lighter. And while you look up there, you can see that's our arc pulse ignition up there. Pretty cool. And then we can rotate it over. You can see our micro USB charging port. And we can keep rotating it around so you can see everything. But very simple and easy to operate. Just slide up, push the button, and you're all set and ready to go. Perfect for camping, for hiking, for lighting candles, for smoking, anything you'd want to use a traditional lighter or mattress for, you can use this electric lighter for. And you'll get at least 600 uses out of it, between 600 and 800 lights per full charge with this electric lighter. So now let's go ahead, let's try out the lighter with this candle here in the studio. So let's go ahead, let's just light the wick. So we're working on it right now. There we go. We just lit the candle very easily. And as you may notice too, this candle's burnt about halfway down. So it's really nice to have the long extra length here so we can easily reach into a deep candle like this and light it. And there you go. You can see everything works great. So let me share with you guys my final thoughts after using this lighter. The first thing I want to say is I'm a huge fan of electric lighters overall. The technology is amazing and it's definitely the way the future is going. So if you don't have one already, you definitely want to get one at some point sooner than later and you'll thank me for it. So with that being said, here's what I really like about this lighter. The first thing is I like the length of this. It's always great to have a longer electric lighter than a shorter electric lighter, at least in my opinion, if you're burning a lot of candles. Second thing I like, it's very comfortable to hold in my hand. So it just kind of feels like you're holding a pen or a pencil, maybe a spoon or a fork, that sort of thing. So it's just really nice and easy to hold with its shape and style. The third thing is I'm very happy with the price point of this lighter. Now, with that being said, here's the things I want to see improved. So the first thing is we have micro USB on the back. I definitely want to have USB type C instead. Maybe even add some wireless charging. That'd be really cool to set this apart on the market today. And last but not least, what else I want to see improved with this lighter? It'd probably have to come down to maybe the design at the end. I like a lot of the lighters on the market today with the flexibility where you can kind of like move them and contort them however you want, almost like an extension and even more length. Again, that really benefits somebody that's maybe grilling a lot or lighting a lot of candles that again are just hard to reach or a unique shape for the candle. But overall, guys, definitely a fully functioning and usable electric lighter with some clever designs like that hook here, so you can have an easy storage option or take it with you hiking or camping. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.